Let's see how Shopify POS compares to Vend point of sale. First, there are pre-installed payments. Shopify Payments is included with all accounts and provides transparent pricing and prompt payments for in-store and online transactions. Vend only accepts payments from third-party sources, so you must handle several fees and contracts. Let's start with first-party hardware. Card readers from Shopify are intended to work in tandem with Shopify POS. While contacting various support departments for POS and payments, it might be tough to debug when using third-party hardware on Vend. Now we'll look at pickup options. Customers can purchase online with confidence on Shopify since they can view what's in stock in store directly from the product page. Vend can only display the information during the checkout process, resulting in unhappy customers and abandoned carts. Shopify Point of Sale now supports omnichannel gift cards. Shopify POS allows you to offer real and digital gift cards that can be redeemed in store or online. Gift cards can only be sold or redeemed at your retail locations with Vend, restricting the ways your consumers may buy with you. Please use the link provided below to chat with an expert about your concerns. Following that, we'll go through centralized inventory. Shopify consolidates inventory into a single location. Products are created once, and quantities are assigned in store and online. Vend relies on connections with your website to keep up to date, which exposes you to overselling and erroneous data. Did you know that Shopify Point of Sale allows for easy refunds and exchanges? Shopify allows you to provide buyers the option of returning or exchanging online purchases in store. On Vend, data can only flow from your website to Vend, allowing you to accept online returns in store, but require human reconciliation afterwards. Let's look at some clever inventory insights. Vend's reporting is comprehensive, but not all small firms have the knowledge or time to study the data. Shopify's powerful inventory tools perform the heavy lifting for you, with smart recommendations that help you make more educated decisions faster. Next, I'd want to discuss email carts. Shopify's email carts can help you recoup lost revenue. You may let customers sleep on it and transmit their in-store choices to buy online for undecided shoppers to big-ticket purchases. This is only possible on Vend through third-party integrations. Another advantage is that your website is commerce-ready. Shopify's simple website builder allows you to design a great site that is ready to sell. There is no coding necessary. Vend is merely a point-of-sale system, which means you'll have to link data from your e-commerce platform and handle several backends. Finally, I'd like to note the hundreds of apps that are available. Using apps, you can easily add unique functionality to your POS and website. Shopify provides dozens of applications to match your company needs, from foot traffic tracking to in-store appointments. Vend also supports applications but has a lesser variety. To chat with a Shopify expert about acquiring Shopify POS, click the link below.